Modern day-to-day city life leaves us feeling anxious and stressed. Research has shown that being in a biophilic environment has a positive effect on our recovery from stressors by connecting us to nature. Nestled in the coffee plantations and lush forests of Coorg is the Tamara Eco Resort. The highly biophilic architecture allows nature to thrive in its natural form. The location and landscape of the property grant access to activities such as hiking, bird watching, engaging with organic farming and apiculture. The proximity to wildlife gives us an in-depth experience of connecting with nature and feeling like a part of it. Tamara has ensured that their construction footprint is minimal. The cottages are built on stilts without hampering the natural landscape of the area. Your experience here is enriched by the hotel staff's knowledge and enthusiasm for the natural world.
ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
It's been love at first sight being here.
నాకు కూర్గ్ ತಾಮರತ್ಲು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು నాకు ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಳೆಗಾಲಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ದ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಲಕನ್ನ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರ ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರ ನೇಚರ್.
Birds chirping early morning, the sounds of the bamboo whistling and other things which makes you feel that you are completely in a forest and in the midst of nature.
Tamara, bringing nature, people and profits into harmony.